Why nature matters in workspaces. In today's fast-paced world, working from home has become the new norm, and with it comes the challenge of creating a workspace that balances productivity with peace of mind. Biophilic design offers a powerful solution by blending natural elements into our home offices, transforming them into sanctuaries of focus, calm, and creativity. A connection between humans and nature. Biophilic design is more than just adding plants into your home. It's about re-establishing a deep connection between humans and nature through architecture, materials, colors, and light. For a home office, this means creating an environment that stimulates mental clarity while reducing stress through natural design choices. Distractions, stress, and burnout. Many home offices lack proper design, often crammed into small corners or spare rooms. Without intentional planning, these spaces can feel uninspiring and stressful. A biophilic approach counters this by introducing natural cues that reduce mental fatigue, support better work performance, and help us feel calmer throughout the day. Boosting productivity and well-being. Research shows that being exposed to nature reduces anxiety and improves focus. In a home office, this translates to increased productivity, sharper concentration, and an overall sense of balance. By weaving biophilic principles into workspaces, we can align our environment with the way our brains naturally function best. Placing your home office in harmony. The first step in a biophilic home office is selecting a location with natural light and potential outdoor views. A window overlooking greenery, a balcony corner, or even a garden-facing room enhances the connection to the outdoors. The placement of your workspace directly influences focus and overall satisfaction. Maximizing sunlight for better work. Natural light is one of the most vital biophilic elements. Sunlight regulates circadian rhythms, boosts mood, and reduces reliance on artificial lighting. Positioning your desk near a window allows you to benefit from sunlight throughout the day, while sheer curtains help diffuse harsh light into a soothing glow. Living green for a calmer mind. Adding plants to your home office is a simple yet transformative step. Plants not only purify air, but also create a calming presence. Choose easy care species such as snake plants, pothos, or ferns. Larger plants can define space, while small desk plants add focus and comfort to your workstation. Wood, stone, and organic textures. The choice of materials has a profound effect on mood. Natural woods, bamboo, rattan, or stone create a grounded, organic feel. Instead of glossy plastics, opt for tactile surfaces that remind you of nature. A wooden desk or woven chair instantly elevates your office from sterile to inviting. Shades that support calm and focus color psychology plays a central role in biophilic design. Earth tones, forest greens, ocean blues, and sandy neutrals create a soothing backdrop for work. These hues mimic natural environments and reduce visual stress, creating a space that feels balanced, comfortable, and aligned with human well-being. The calming sound of flowing water incorporating a small tabletop fountain or wall-mounted water feature introduces soothing soundscapes into your office. The sound of flowing water reduces stress and creates a meditative ambience, helping you detach from digital overload while maintaining focus on work tasks in a refreshing environment. Reducing noise with natural elements. Noise distractions can harm concentration. Natural acoustic solutions, such as cork panels, wool rugs, or moss walls, absorb sound while enhancing the organic feel of your space. This design choice not only improves focus, but also turns the office into a peaceful retreat where ideas can flow freely. comfort that respects nature. Biophilic design also considers human comfort. Ergonomic chairs made from sustainable materials, sit-stand desks in natural wood, and organic-shaped furniture reduce strain and align with eco-conscious living. Combining ergonomics with natural aesthetics ensures your workspace is not only beautiful but also healthy for your body. Fresh air for clear thinking. Good air circulation is essential for mental clarity. Opening windows regularly, using air purifying plants, or installing eco-friendly air filters helps maintain a fresh atmosphere. When air feels clean and refreshing, your mind feels more alert, directly supporting productivity and mental wellness. Living walls and organic textures. Your office walls are more than just boundaries. Consider green walls with climbing plants, natural wallpapers with botanical patterns, or textured finishes like clay and lime wash. These subtle touches create immersive natural experiences, making your workspace feel like an extension of the outdoors. Seeing green to stay focused even if you can't work outdoors. Having a view of nature works wonders for productivity. A simple window view of trees, sky, or gardens reduces stress and provides microbreaks for the eyes. Position your desk to maximize this connection to natural surroundings for a healthier work rhythm. Biomorphic design in home offices, curved furniture, organic patterns, and fractal designs mimic forms found in nature. From rugs with leaf-like motifs to shelves with fluid lines, these subtle biophilic cues comfort the brain, which instinctively recognizes and responds positively to natural shapes over rigid, artificial structures. Engaging more than just vision. Biophilic offices don't only rely on visuals. Natural scents like lavender or cedarwood improve relaxation, while textured fabrics stimulate touch. A gentle soundtrack of birdsong or flowing water enhances auditory calm. By engaging multiple senses, the workspace becomes immersive and restorative rather than sterile. Warm, adaptive illumination. When natural light fades, artificial lighting should mimic the rhythms of the sun. Warm-toned LED lamps, dimmable desk lights, and fixtures made from natural materials create harmony. Biophilic lighting supports both productivity and relaxation, ensuring your workspace feels inviting even after sunset. Bringing nature through creative expression. If living plants aren't practical, artwork and photography featuring landscapes, forests, or oceans can substitute. Handmade decor from natural materials also strengthens the biophilic connection. Each piece should serve a purpose, either to inspire, soothe, or remind you of your relationship with the natural world. Reducing clutter for mental clarity. Biophilic home offices thrive on simplicity. Clutter disrupts focus and overwhelms the senses. Incorporating natural storage solutions, such as wooden shelves, woven baskets, or bamboo organizers, keeps the space tidy and aligned with nature-inspired aesthetics, supporting a clear mind and organized workflow.